Tyco number 7328 Golden Eagle train set, sold in 1980. The set came with two operating accessories and night glow, which was night glow stickers applied to them for operation at night with the lights off. The accessories were the signal crossing with lights and bell and the operating crane loader. These two operating accessories with the night glow option were not sold separately by Tyco, but you could purchase these without the night glow option. This is the artwork on the upper left corner of the box, which was always appealing, I thought, growing up as a kid. The train set contents were the Golden Eagle Alco 630 with matching caboose. Then you had the Burlington Northern box car, the pulpwood car, Tyco flatbed stake truck, Union Pacific gondola with containers, the Conrail hopper, and the Coca-Cola tank car. The Golden Eagle train set came with Tyco true steel track to make a 36x45 oval and an 899B power pack, which is the gold color. On the left here is the factory catalog where you can order additional accessories, track, locomotives, and rolling stock. Here's the troubleshooting sheet that came with the set, and then there's also a setup for the track instructions and break-in of locomotive. This was the night glow sticker sheet in which you cut the strips to fit the accessory. Here's something to note on all Tyco train sets, not just this Golden Eagle. All the action accessories came in white plain boxes like this. The one on the left is for the operating crane, and the one on the right is the crossing signal. And here they are, open, unassembled. Tyco also included extra rail joiners in every set they sold. This is the edge of the box work on the bottom. If you laid it flat on its back looking across. This is the set M to the right. This is the top of the box artwork. And this will be the left side of the box work, outer edge. That's everything for the Tyco Golden Eagle set. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more of my videos.